Hi, today in your reading mini lesson, you should have discussed how sometimes a writer uses a word in the sentence that is similar in meaning to the word you don't know. For example, in this first sentence, gray whales slink after them, watching for weakness, hoping a lame one might make a meal. Well, in this case, lame is probably the unknown word, and that's why it's highlighted. And when you read it, when you read watching for weakness, that lets you know that lame means about the same as weakness. So you can assume that lame means weak. Oftentimes when you're reading, you can figure this out by looking for similar words. So today when you read, if you come to a word you don't understand, look to see if the author put words in the sentence that mean the same thing. If you find one of those words or you find a description like this, please bring it back to share with the rest of the class.